All right, guys, what's up? It's Carter here. I thought I would just give y'all a quick little update of the market. I just wanted to run through it real quick since so much has happened since our last video. Real quick, we're going to go over those last two trades that we took today and what made me come to the conclusion to take them. The last two, so let's go to the one before this last one. Okay. So here we go for that one before the last one. Drops down. We find some more trend up. Breaks the trend, loses the confluence on it, goes up, gets a nice little push, and it didn't push above there, right on that, right on here where it's been getting stopped at for the most part, this today. And it already had low volume, looked very sluggish, and like I said, it was a decent gamble, and I took it, and we took it literally like 3 minutes before it dropped, literally. Um, Gotta stay strong in your convictions sometimes. And thank God I decided to pull the trigger. I only hope I gave it quick enough because I'm talking about it was like immediate drop, like the perfect trade that you're looking for on a scalp. All right. Then I switched out for this last trade. I'm on the 15 minute. 5 minute ain't telling me what I want to know anymore. I'm not getting enough information. And then I realized, holy shit, we're in a kind of like in a rising wedge here, and it's really tight. I mean, it breaks here. If it would have hit here quicker and then came back and then shot off there, it wouldn't have looked as toppy as it did to me. The market maker set this up perfect for me. I literally just posted it on Twitter before I shorted this graph. Saying Bitcoin looks toppy, and I'll be damned. We caught that for again back at 44.5. Down to 44.2 here. I'm still in it. I took some profit, but I'm still in it for the most part. It was a high gamble, 100x leverage. But yeah, very beautiful. Good trades. 4-0. We're not going to get euphoric. We're going to keep waiting for our trades. Keep taking them. I hope I'm proving something here. This is price action. I didn't even have. I was looking at it like that, and then I was like, that looks toppy. Literally, I was looking at it like that. I was like, dude, didn't even have the Bollinger Bonds on, man. And I was like, it just looks toppy. And bam, I put that back on, and I was like, wow. I drew this out on the 2 hour after the 2 hour failed on that second retest at 44.5. You see here? That's also what made me think, oh, no, no. But we did regain the trend line. See, we got up here, tested resistance again. We got denied here, came back on lower volume big time. That's what was one of the biggest hints. And we didn't close above it, not even a hair. And I was like, oh shit, that's not good. Never is. Never is good. And I also noticed this. Reverse cup and handles. You see these? This reverse cup and handle on the big 2 hour. I've seen these a couple times. I guess, like I said, just chart time at this point. It's just looking at the chart for so long. But again, it was a good telltale to me just to go ahead and aim for that short. It still looks like we could get the push, though. You see that? Which I've already took profit on it. It's still, it looks like we could. But, I mean, that wedge is usually not that tight. It's not going to play a tight rising wedge like that, usually, if we're going to get that push. We would have pushed for it. You're giving people, this is making me think you're wanting people, slow build up to resistance for the pop, right? For the push through. And you're wanting people to long it there, give them enough time to long it. They gave them a lot of time to, push the green button there. But anyways, that's enough with that. So we're going to go back out. We're going to take this chart back a couple times. I don't know if I can go farther back or not. Yeah, I can. Okay. 1 minute. Where you at? Where you at? Bear with me. Come on. She is somewhere. I update these charts too much. And you know how it goes. If you do this at all, just I don't know. Maybe not. There it is. Okay, there it is. Anyways, we're gonna look at the 2 hour. Let's look at these. Let's look at some comparisons here. I love fractals. If you follow me for a while, I've talked about fractals a lot. Here's a golden one right before the pump. A little fall off, stack them up, pump, jump up, spring off the Bollinger Bond, rise. Okay, it was a beautiful setup. Looked just like it. Also, what gave me that hint down at 37K was catching the edge there. Catching 37.3. But anyways, let's look into the daily time frame real quick. There was something I want to show you here. Let's say Bitcoin $69,000 at all-time high. 35,000 is median, right? 35,000 is median. All right, let's get rid of some of this shit. There's no reason for all this to still be there. I do like that right there. I'm not. It's not right though. But I do like that little trend we got there. But as you can see, look at this. Okay, this is pretty much the range right here. Okay, it's slowly going up. The range is slowly breaking up. What would be that pivot for me is pushing through this area. We can look at 44.5K here. It's been, look at it. It's been wicked a couple times with resistance plenty of times. But this is also a nice little area we don't stay in. You see that, like 40.7K, like we've talked about. It's a nice area we don't really stay in. You push past it, we shoot past it, say we finally shoot past this area, come back, spring off 45.8 and continue on. But as you can see, we are definitely getting denied here. 44.245 still going down. But yeah, as you can see, this is a range. It even makes sense because it's a halfway mark. Okay, right here to here. That's a range, and we need to pivot this part and break through for this range, for this up here. For this range. That's what I'm looking at. This is the big key piece here. Did we just come up here to tag the top again? Is that what just happened? You got to start assuming or thinking so if you trade. Maybe this is happening at this moment. A lot of bear division playing out, low volume on the rise up on a tight wedge. I don't know, guys. I'm thinking down. Hopefully, we go down to 41.5 to 42.5. I'm hoping we get that area to long in. If this is a bull market, we should at least pick up some gains there. If so, and if it does drop into this little gap in area here, it should back up to about 41K, and we should hopefully be able to sell off if because I'm gonna buy some spot there. I'm not gonna just buy a long. I'm not gonna just enter a leverage position there. I'm gonna try to stack up some different coins, altcoins and bitcoins to look for the rise. The easy game, to buy and hold. That's the easy part of this, and I've been waiting for it to come again. So I hope it does. But that's all I got for y'all today. The next video we're going to go over what I said, risk management and how I do it. I do it a little bit differently because I can. I've built got enough money to do it. But we'll go over how I do it, and I hope y'all see what I see here and make some progress. Y'all have a good night. Bye.